In the news today, there seems to be a rift between Trinidadians and Jamaicans due to a YouTube video slap chop parodies that seems to be causing much problems between the two islands. Here's a JNN special report on the issue.
Slam, not tell no lie. Body stand up this big all night now. I know you don't like them green things. Give a blood clot. It good for your body.
Them on a machine and thing with them loose blade. But fuck that shit, watch it, Chop. And fingers to the intact. You understand what I'm saying?
The Slab Chop commercial. A successful as seen on TV product that has been parodied more times than the product has been sold. The latest of which is between Bo and Mudda from Trinidad and the Mad White Jamaican. And as innocent as this parody may seem, it is causing major problems between the relationship between Jamaica and Trinidad, and has left violent protesters demonstrating on the streets.
Them all have loose blade! They have loose blade!
I saw the Trini Slap Chop and I thought, well, it'll be good to parody it, so, you know, I made a quick parody.
Parody? I call it thief. The man is an old thief.
I can't believe the nerve of this man.
I sit down, I do all my hard work, creativity, all kind of thing, and then 4 months later, he come and do it again.
Where the Ras, boy, mother, where did you get my number from to begin with?
Why go on a race now? All your mother kind of white.
I hear you come on Saturday, my video.
No one girl, not no two girl.
Wow, they can buy maintenance, everything they have online. They can do something, they can chop.
Well, watch me. Once you make the girl them sparkle, you get whatever you want. You understand?
Do something about it, something original. Do your own thing.
I watched your music video about make the girl and bend right over. My youth. You're the one Trini man me see what can't whine, you know.
But you Jamaican, I ain't seen no ass. And one year's a white boy, and I hear you do even smoke no weed.
Not every Jamaican have to smoke spliff or have dreadlocks.
Boss it up. Pieces.
You talk about pieces, brethren, when you are the one that go get chop. Come me nah go ramp with you. You don't know say Jamaican man them love war.
What?
I will live for war.
Are you coming, man? What?
It's war. Gaza gully the whole 9 yards. You turn on Jamaican TV a war.
Bring thing now, boy.
Everything war. Be war with the pan.
Watch me, I have your whole netball team in my bed right now and it's chop. No, man.
Loose blame the bomber clot. You go get shot to the fast one. The politicians them are wicked too. Them not innocent.
Once two bustling Caribbean nations, now gripped in a bloody war. Mr. Whiteman, YouTube News.